What exactly is a project management meeting?
It's a meeting where project stakeholders discuss the progress, issues, and plans for the project. It's a crucial part of project management that helps keep everyone on the same page.
How do you prepare for a project management meeting?
Firstly, create an agenda and send it out to all attendees beforehand. Secondly, gather all necessary data and information. And lastly, prepare yourself mentally to lead the meeting effectively.
What should be included in a project meeting?
It should cover the progress made so far, any issues or roadblocks encountered, plans for the next phase, and any action items or decisions that need to be made.
What should a project manager say in a meeting?
The project manager should provide updates, encourage discussion, and facilitate problem solving. They should also ensure that the meeting stays on track and within the scope of the agenda.
What is the goal of a project meeting?
The goal is to ensure that everyone is aligned with the project goals, that progress is being made, and any issues are being addressed. It's also an opportunity to build relationships and foster teamwork among project stakeholders.
What is usually discussed in project meetings?
It depends on the stage of the project, but typically progress updates, risks and issues, budget and resource allocation, and stakeholder feedback are discussed.
How do you start a project meeting?
You should start by welcoming everyone, reviewing the agenda, and setting expectations for the meeting. You should also remind attendees of the project goals and any relevant background information.
What should I ask in my first project meeting?
You should ask about the project goals and objectives, stakeholders' expectations, and the timeline and budget for the project. It's also a good idea to ask about any risks or roadblocks that have already been identified.
What are the benefits of meetings in project management?
Meetings help ensure that everyone is on the same page, that progress is being made, and any issues are being addressed. They also provide an opportunity to build relationships and foster teamwork among project stakeholders.
What are the 3 P's of effective meetings?
The 3 P's are purpose, process, and people. Purpose refers to having a clear agenda and objectives for the meeting. Process refers to having a structure and framework that enables effective communication and decision-making. People refers to having the right attendees and ensuring that everyone is engaged and contributing.